Adding adjustment layer on Final Cut Pro is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. The first thing I'd like you to do is to load up the project that you want to add the adjustment layer to. And what you're going to do is you're going to identify the part that you want to add the adjustment layer to, and you're going to put the cursor where it's going to start from. Then you're going to go to the navigation bar at the top, and you're going to click on edit, and you're going to click on add adjustment clip. Now you see the clip started from where we put our cursor to where this clip ends. Now you can also adjust the adjustment clip to any part that you want. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to the far right of the editing panel, and you're going to click on the effects button. And under the effects, what you can do is you can move the color board, for instance. Then you drag it and move it to the adjustment clip. And then you can go to the video inspector and then click on the color board and then adjust the color as much as you like. And when you're done, all you need to do is to move the adjustment clip or resize it to where you want it to take effect. And as you can see, this starts from a different color and it enters into a different color. And when we move it here, it's gonna go back to its other color. Now that's how to add adjustment layer on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.